you ready to open? Yep.
Okay.
This one's from Grandma.
Okay. She can do it
Oh.
all by herself, Daddy.
What? What is it?
Atika, look. It's so awesome.
Oh my goodness, that's perfect.
Yay.
It's
And
so
it has a
pretty.
hoodie.
That is perfect.
You love it? Sure. Yeah, for you.
That's perfect. And Daddy.
Daddy's shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy can't wear this one. This was too small.
That is so cute. What else did you get, sweetie? Whoa. That looks fun. We can do that today. Or is that a travel one? Show me what it is. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Elephant?
What color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is that?
Pink.
What color is that?
Green.
What color is that?
Blue.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Gray.
Gray. That's awesome.
What else did you get? Stickers. Your favorite.
You got stickers? Uh-oh.
Okay, do you want to put them down and we'll see what else is in here.
What else is in the box?
Animal
cookies.
Your
That's good.
favorite. Mommy's favorite too.
Mommy
I
likes
love
those a
those.
lot.
What is this?
More. Oh, that is great. Those are different colors, right?
Different colors.
Orange.
What color is this one? Orange.
Mmm.
And these two are what color?
Blue.
And that one's what?
Green.
And that one's?
Daddy.
Yeah, that one. You're so smart. More stickers. What is that? Hearts. Very good. What color is it?
Blue.
Red.
Red. What is this?
Let Mommy look at it. This one's probably for Mommy. Ooh, cast iron cookie. Hallelujah.
We just ordered
We
it.
just ordered a cast iron pan.
That is hilarious.
Yay.
Hey, Daddy needs those.
Ooh.
Prayer box. Ooh.
Hallelujah. We can write our prayers in there.
Amen.
Yes. What letter is that?
Red.
It's red, but what letter is it?
A.
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 What letter is this?
A.
B.
B.
C. We're working on that one.
She has a lollipop. That's what. Distracted.
Oh.
She was
Do you
like,
want it
I
now?
don't want any letters.
You want it now? Yes?
Mmm.
Mmm. See if Mommy can open it. Okay, here we go. Is that your favorite? Can you tell Mama, thank you for all your treats? Can you tell her thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aw.
Oh.
All right. Max is he's photobombing in the camera in the background.
Say hey, Max.
All right.
That
All
was
right.
such an awesome
Should we do
treat.
Dave and Jody's now?
Yeah, you can.
Cut it off?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye-bye. Wave.
Say bye.
Say see you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Take out the lollipop so you can say after a while, crocodile. Tika, you ready to open? Yep.
Okay.
This one's from Grandma.
Okay. She can do it
Oh.
all by herself, Daddy.
What? What is it?
Tika, look. It's so awesome.
Oh my goodness, that's perfect.
Yay.
It's
And
so
it has a
pretty.
hoodie.
That is perfect.
You love it? Sure. Yeah, for you.
That's perfect. And Daddy.
Daddy's shirt.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy can't wear this one. This was too small.
That is so cute. What else did you get, sweetie? Whoa. That looks fun. We can do that today. Or is that a travel one? Show me what it is. Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Elephant?
What color is that?
Dog.
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is that?
Pink.
What color is that?
Green.
What color is that?
Blue.
What color is that?
Gray.
Gray.
Gray. That's awesome.
What else did you get? Stickers. Your favorite.
You got stickers? Uh-oh.
Okay, do you want to put them down and we'll see what else is in here?
What else is in the box?
Animal
cookies.
Your
That's good.
favorite. Mommy's favorite too.
Mommy
I
likes
love
those a lot.
What is this?
More. Oh, that is great. Those are different colors, right?
Different colors.
Orange.
What color is this one? Orange.
Mmm.
And these two are what color?
Blue.
And that one's what?
Green.
And that one's
Daddy.
yeah, that one. You're so smart. More stickers. What is that?
Hot.
Heart. Very good. What color is it?
Blue.
Red.
Red. What is this?
Let Mommy look at it. This one's probably for Mommy. Ooh, cast iron cookie. Hallelujah.
We just ordered
We
it.
just ordered a cast iron pan.
That is hilarious.
Yay.
Hey, Daddy needs those.
Ooh.
Prayer box. Ooh.
Hallelujah. We can write our prayers in there.
Amen.
Yes. What letter is that?
Red.
It's red, but what letter is it?
A.
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 What letter is this?
A.
B.
B.
C. We're working on that one.
She has a lollipop. That's what. Distracted.
Oh.
She was
Do you
like,
want it
I don't
now?
want any letters.
You want it now? Yes?
Mmm.
Mmm. See if Mommy can open it. Okay, here we go. Is that your favorite? Can you tell Mama thank you for all your treats? Can you tell her thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Aw.
Oh.
All right. Max is he's photobombing in the camera in the background.
Say hey, Max.
All right.
That
All
was
right.
such an awesome
Should we do
treat.
Dave and Jody's now?
Yeah, you can.
Cut it off?
Yeah.
All right. Say bye-bye. Wave.
Say bye.
Say see you later, alligator.
After a while, crocodile.
Take out the lollipop so you can say after a while, crocodile. Uh-oh. Did you fall? You fall over? Yeah? Oh, do you need help? Do you need help? Here. Grab Daddy's hand. Oh, yeah! Oh, you got Daddy's hand so wet. It's so cool. Look at this. Oh! Missed. Oh! Oh, you got me! Oh, this is so much better than working. Oh, snowball fight with my daughter. Oh my goodness, good throw. Oh, my wife's in there right now baking. Or she's actually frying, I think. She's getting some potatoes. We're making sure we don't have any green potatoes, because there's a Colorado situation with green potatoes. Yeah. Oh, say hi. Say hi, Mia. Hi, Jackie. Jackie and me, Jackie, we just found one green potato. We just threw it away, though. So, anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. You guys have a good day, though. Bye. I heard something. Tika, where's Tika, Max? Max, where's Tika? Where is she? Squirrels, do you all know where Tika is? Oh, I heard a coyote. Or was that a wolf? Oh, I see Tika. There she is. She's climbing her tree. Say hi. Here comes some birdies up in the sky. Got 'em. Huh? Birdies. Hey, can you climb all the way up there? No? Turn around and climb all the way up. Let me see you climb all the way up the tree. Climb all the... Whoa! 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 The backwards climb. What? That was awesome. Da-da-da-da. Say, I love my new boots. Yeah. You like those boots, don't you? Those boots can withstand any snow. Look, they can withstand any snowball. Psh. Look, they protect your feet better than bags. Amazing. Yeah, boots. Boots. You stuck? Okay. Can you get down? I hear an airplane. I see him. It's going to be coming behind this tree any second.
What y'all doing?
Looking at the airplane. Missed him. There he is. Puppy. My puppy, my puppy.
Beep, beep, puppy, beep, beep, oh, puppy. Beep, beep.
Yeah. Your puppy, your...
Puppy. My puppy.
Is it your puppy?
My puppy.
Your puppy?
My puppy.
Okay. I didn't know whose puppy was. Is it your puppy?
It's my papa.
Popeye. Ooh.
My puppy. My diddy. My diddy.
What's this?
Look up at the jet. No, over there. You see the jet? The airplane going shh. Oh, that way, where my finger is. Shh. You see the line behind it? It's called a jet stream. Ooh. Doing out here? Huh? What are you doing? Are you enjoying the fire pit? God has blessed us with a lot of stuff, hasn't he? Mm-hmm. God has blessed me. Look at the doggy. He's blessed me with an awesome wife who can rock scarves. Check out this hairdo. Turn sideways, dear. Woo! It's done to me. Hey.
Yeah, because this is done. This is good. That's really what's up.
Look at this girl's haircut. She chose 2. Mommy gives her an option every day.
I said, do you want 1 or 2? Una or dos?
Say
Dos.
Does. Yay! Our little girl's learning Spanish. We just got off the phone for our first trial. We were trying to call the shoe department, and we got a Spanish-speaking person on the phone, and we didn't understand. But we're starting to learn.
I am going to get it in the name of Jesus.
We're about to go to a party where the lady that we met.
Birthday party.
Yeah, and it's across the street. It's our neighbor.
Just leave it alone.
The lady doesn't speak any Spanish, but somehow, or any English, but she's making it, and we're gonna be doing the same thing. So Nadia wants to really connect with her, so we're gonna go over there today.
I'm gonna be ahead of Mexico when I get there.
That's right.
I better anyway.
Say bye bye. We're gonna head out here soon. Tika, you wanna wave to the camera? Say bye. She said, all right. She wants a fire. All right. Bye bye. Focusing on the fire. And my little girl climbs up a tree at 2 years old. A big tree. Look. I can't even see.
She's 2.
Are you 2?
Say uno. Dos.
That's kind of a really big. Did you see Daddy climb that tree yesterday? Oh, are you a monkey? You got your hat on.
Or owl.
Oh,
Oh, you are a monkey.
oh. That's so cool. Remember those monkeys that were just climbing around everywhere? Awesome. Maybe I'll put the video together at the zoo, and then I'll put this in there with it, like you're one of the climbing monkeys. You're climbing around.
You're so pretty. You got a dirty face.
Whoa. You getting down?
That's how you did that? Okay.
Wow. What'd you find up here?
Yeah.
A little. That's pretty cool.
Daddy, come over here and she wants to show you.
Here, film that way. Let me see your face. Oh. Can Daddy get a picture with you? Look. Yeah, let me get this. Look. All right, get a picture with Daddy. Ready? Say cheese. Oh.
Whoa.
Okay. Don't do it. Just hold on to the tree. There you go. That's a big girl, though. She was doing that the other day. All right. You climbed up all by yourself, huh? You gonna get down all by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
She's so smart.
Wow, that's amazing.
That's how you did that?
That's so good.
It's pretty good.
Good job.
Huh.
Yeah. There's a snake hole.
Yeah. No.
Mama's like, hey, film that fire. Whoa, look, come over here, Mommy.
I've been married to you too long. I've been knowing what you're doing.
Look at that.
Tika, wow, there's a fire right behind you.
Yeah, good fire going. Get some more of this brush. We cleared out a lot.
We sure did.
We did good.
Yay! What? How are you going to do that? Oh, yeah? Okay.
We get a little wet. We're going to get a little smoke from this.
Whoa.
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 Ow, whoa.
Whoa.
Ah!
Yay! You did that! So amazing! I just can't believe it. You are such a big girl. Whoa.
Come over here, Mom. She's gonna.
Whoa.
Mine. What? Mine.
Oh, okay.
She really likes climbing, doesn't she?
Uh-huh.
Ever since the mountains. She's always been a climber. Wow, good job. She already knows where to get foot placements. That's awesome, Tika. We're gonna go study those monkeys at the zoo more. We learned that quick.
Oh.
What?
Whoa.
No.
Are you gonna push that tree down?
The tree looks like it's gonna come.
I know.
Whoa, she's getting down another way.
It really does though.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, no. How?
You need some help?
You want help, Daddy? Come on, Tika. Climb.
Yay!
That was so cute.
Mine.
Come on.
Mine.
She's a super climber. Dad's gonna get some of this bark. There. Clean this out. Make sure there's no snakes.
It's
Clean
too
out
cold for
all
snakes.
all the squirrel area.
It's too. I would think it would be too cold, but I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. I'm not a snake expert,
Well, I'm not either.
but I could play one on TV. Woo! All right. Here we go.
Yay! What do you hear?
Airplane.
Oh. I didn't.
What is it? Airplane? Can you say airplane? Yeah. Whoa. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Shh. We gotta put your hat back on though, because it's cold out here.
You gotta get your hat on here. Daddy's day off! No injuries yet. Whoa. Woo! She's good. Oh. Oop. There he is.